Here's a deep dive into the CleanMyMac features most Mac users completely overlook, even long-time subscribers. 1. Maintenance scripts. The most overlooked tool, the most comprehensive and most ignored tool is maintenance, where you'll find scripts for flushing out your DNS cache, improving your email inbox performance, reindexing Spotlight, repairing disk permissions, and verifying the startup disk. Most users run Smart Care and stop there, never realizing these targeted maintenance scripts exist. Reindexing Spotlight alone can fix slow search performance that's been annoying users for months. 2. Secure file deletion, Shredder. Sometimes deleting files to trash won't give you peace of mind, especially for highly sensitive files or folders. CleanMyMac lets you delete them securely without leaving a trace and ensures they are unrecoverable. Most users just drag files to trash. This feature is buried but invaluable for anyone handling personal documents, financial files, or medical records. 3. Multi-browser privacy wipe. One click. Cleaning a browser's history, cookies, and browsing history can take time if you use multiple browsers. CleanMyMac's privacy feature allows you to check all the browsers you want data wiped from Firefox, Chrome, Safari, Brave, and others and remove everything with just one click. Most users manually clear one browser at a time, unaware that CleanMyMac handles all of them simultaneously. 4. Wi-Fi network history cleaner. Your Mac keeps a record of all Wi-Fi connections you've previously connected to. CleanMyMac shows you all saved Wi-Fi networks and allows you to delete all of them or just selected ones in one simple interface. This is a privacy and security feature most users never knew existed inside CleanMyMac. 5. App camera and microphone permission manager. Head over to privacy in CleanMyMac, click scan, and look under applications permissions to find all the apps that have access to various parts of your Mac's functionality, devices, or system features. Mac protection scans for unsafe camera and microphone permissions, browsing history, and traces of online and offline activity. Most users never audit which apps are silently watching or listening. 6. One-click bulk app updater. If you install Mac apps manually via .dmg files, you have to update them manually too. Updater in CleanMyMac gives you a list of all outdated apps and lets you bulk update all of them at once. No need to visit each app individually or install a separate third-party updater. This saves enormous time and keeps apps secure without any extra effort. 7. Internet speed test in menu bar. There's no need to visit a separate speed testing website. Click the CleanMyMac icon in the menu bar to see your current upload and download speeds, or click test speed to run a full internet speed test right there. The menu bar widget also shows current RAM, CPU, storage usage, and even battery status of devices on the same Wi-Fi network all in one place. Most users install separate apps for this without realizing CleanMyMac already does it. 8. Mail attachment remover. CleanMyMac includes a mail attachment remover that finds and clears attachments cached by the Mail app. These files silently accumulate over years and can eat up gigabytes of storage, but almost no one thinks to clean them because they're invisible in normal use. 9. File permission repair. Since Mac OS is a Unix-compliant operating system, all files and folders have permissions attached. If you encounter problems with permissions such as being unable to move or delete files, this can be easily fixed using CleanMyMac's permission repair tool. Most users turn to terminal commands or disk utility, not realizing CleanMyMac handles this with one click. 10. Cloud storage cleanup. Cloud cleanup shows what's filling up your cloud accounts, letting you free up room in just a few taps. It reveals large files consuming cloud storage and finds redundant local copies cluttering your Mac simultaneously. With iCloud plans costing money, this feature pays for itself, yet most users never open it. 11. Space Lens Visual Drive Map. Space Lens is not just another file list, it's a visual map of your entire drive that instantly shows you what's eating up space. One reviewer discovered a forgotten virtual machine file consuming 80 GB this way. Most users scan for junk with Smart Care but never open Space Lens, missing the biggest storage hogs entirely. 12. Mac Health Score and Virtual Assistant. CleanMyMac includes a built-in virtual assistant with your Mac's health score and shortcuts to essential features for improving that score, including computer restart prompts, app uninstall suggestions, and targeted maintenance tools. Most users ignore this dashboard entirely and miss personalized recommendations specific to their machine. Most CleanMyMac users are getting maybe 20% of the value they're paying for. The real power is in these overlooked corners, especially maintenance scripts, the privacy suite, and Space Lens.